should be alright.
I damn bloody admit it.
What have you done?
I've got it. That should be over here, pulling this bloody way.
Well, you'll have to take my word for it. We have had it running, haven't we, Andy?
You might need the pressing. Sounded like it was nearly there. Aren't they?
15, Road down.
And obviously it drops even further when you put starting boards in.
Ready?
Yeah.
Just quickly, yeah?
No, just light flick a bit.
Drilling now.
But it's running.
Is it? Alright. Right. You're going to see if it'll drive?
Are we alright? Is that board down?
Bill?
Yeah, board's all down, yeah.
He's off.
At least it's running and it performs quite well.
Looks like it's always been there, doesn't it?
It does, it's very
Quite pleased with
in
that.
place. Smashing, I bet you're pleased with that. How many weeks worth is that? Hours?